This video will examine the anatomy of a neutral shift, also known as the drifting star point, and how a lost return path can turn nominal 230 volts into destructive 400 plus volts. In a three-phase, four-wire star-connected system with a nominal voltage of 230 volts phased to neutral, the neutral acts as the return path, maintaining system stability. A missing neutral is safe in an intentional delta system with balanced loads, but it is a critical failure in a faulty star system used for distribution. We are focusing on the star fault scenario. The break is often caused by damaged overhead wires or corroded connections. The immediate effect is a lost return path, causing the circuit to become unreferenced to ground, or floating. With the return path gone, the star point is no longer fixed at 0 volts. This leads to the neutral shift, where the voltage becomes variable, dependent on the load impedance. This is an impedance tug-of-war. Voltage divides based on impedance, meaning high-impedance loads, such as electronics, bear the brunt of the voltage spike, often exceeding 400 volts. The equipment fallout is severe. Single-phase electronics, like computers, instantly burn out due to the voltage spikes. Three-phase equipment may run but become unstable, leading to long-term failure. The human cost is a major hazard. A floating neutral energizes the ground reference, causing metal casings of appliances to become electrically live, resulting in a high risk of electric shock. The telltale sign of a neutral shift is sudden, simultaneous flickering, where one appliance dims while another brightens. If you see this pattern, immediately disconnect the power. The shield against this is a voltage protection device, or VPD. This solution monitors the system balance and detects drift, automatically disconnecting power before the voltage spike occurs. Your defense strategy involves 3 steps. First, verify your system is a star system. Second, monitor for simultaneous dimming or brightening. And third, install a VPD for sensitive electronics. A lost neutral turns your system into a game of chance. Protection devices make it a precise science. Detect, protect, and install the VPD to ensure stability.